The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 20th of August. I'm James Spann. We have a number of showers and thunderstorms across the state today. The weather stays unsettled tomorrow, and maybe even Sunday we'll have showers and storms around, but we think the weather will be hotter and drier by Monday and Tuesday of next week. A lot to talk about today, so here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. The main jet stream, the mid-latitude westerlies, well to the north, a lot of wave action there. And there is a broad trough across the southeastern states, and we have a number of showers and storms around. That was the radar composite about 210. Heavier storms at that point down across parts of South Alabama. There's the visible satellite view. Some locations getting some sun today. For other spots, it's mostly cloudy. And again today, temperatures well below average. We ought to be in the low 90s this year based on averages. Birmingham and Anniston, 84. Only 75 in Haleyville with rain nearby. 79 for Cullman and Aniana. On the watch warning map, pretty quiet today. Got a few scattered heat advisories and flash flood watches. A chance of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight from the Great Plains up into the upper Midwest. Tomorrow, we note the SPC has introduced a low-end marginal risk of severe storms for parts of Alabama. And this marginal risk would include places like Birmingham, Cullman, Montgomery, Tuscaloosa, Demopolis, and points west. Looks like there could be an organized batch of storms dropping in from the north that might produce strong gusty winds during the day tomorrow, so keep that in mind. And then day 3, which is Sunday, got a risk of severe storms again for the high plains and parts of the upper Midwest. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west remains dry. For Alabama, the amount's generally between 1 and 2 inches between now and Friday morning of next week. So in the tropics, we've got 3 systems on the board. The little wave out in the far eastern Atlantic, we'll talk about that thing first. It's in a very tough environment with dry air surrounding it, and this will probably be gaining latitude. Just a 20% chance of this developing over the next 5 days. And typically when they start to gain latitude out there, they recurve. Grace will be moving into Mexico, the coast, as a Category 2 hurricane this evening. And this is probably the most interesting of the systems out here. This is Tropical Storm Henri. The top winds are currently 70 miles an hour. And this is moving towards the north-northeast. And we believe this becomes a hurricane tonight or early tomorrow morning. And based on the latest guidance, it looks like this will be scoring a hit on the New England coast on Sunday. This is the forecast track coming in from the National Hurricane Center, and you can see landfall projected to be somewhere near the Connecticut-Rhode Island border Sunday evening, is either an upper-end tropical storm or a Category 1 hurricane. One way or the other, the impact will be about the same. Obviously, a lot of wind, rain, storm surge flooding for our friends up in the northeast United States, and they'll be watching that with great interest over the next 48 hours. Model fans, let's go to the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. And you can see a big trough back in the northwest. We have a northwest flow aloft here. This is the synoptic look coming off the GFS. And let's go to the high-res NAM. This is an animation. And again, you can see the idea. It's suggesting an MCS, a mesoscale convective system, could come down the flow there from the northwest, maybe to producing strong winds, especially on the western half of the state, west of I-65. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, some sun, a lot of clouds, highs, upper 80s tomorrow. This is Sunday. And again, initially it looked like Sunday could be mostly dry. The GFS has backed off on the concept of the stronger ridging, so we'll need to mention scattered showers and storms Sunday afternoon. Probably not as many Sunday compared to tomorrow. High Sunday will be 87 to 90, and then Monday the ridge is on top of us. Hot with low 90s, maybe mid-90s in spots, and any showers probably over the southern half of the state. And the same thing on Tuesday. Highs 91 to 95, mostly sunny, hot with only isolated showers. And then Wednesday, the ridge begins to weaken again, so scattered showers and storms return. There's Thursday. And a week from today, Friday, August 27th, flat ridge, pretty typical summer weather, partially sunny with scattered showers and storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, August 30th, as we are at the end of meteorological summer. How about that? 591 upper high. Again, classic summer weather. Partly sunny, a few scattered storms about. This is the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean about 2.5 inches between now and the 5th of September. Highs tomorrow, mid-80s, close to 90 Sunday, then low and mid-90s on Monday and Tuesday of next week, and then those highs slowly come back down. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for August 28th through September 3rd. Temperatures here very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. My next video here by 6 a.m. Monday. Notes on the blog if you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.